Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if the Microsoft Store is not working, opening, downloading, or installing apps properly on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process of how to get your Microsoft Store back up and running properly. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in WS Reset. Best match, I come back with WS Reset. Go ahead and open this up. This will reset the Microsoft Store back to default. So just give it a moment here. And then hopefully I should have been able to resolve the problem for you guys. You may have to sign back into the Microsoft Store, and that should be about it. You can also go underneath settings here if you're able to actually get into the Microsoft Store and your issue has more to do with the actual apps that you may be downloading or using. You may want to go ahead and just make sure app updates are set automatically here. Also check Windows updates, make sure you're all up to date as well. So you may want to go into Windows Update once we're done here and just check for updates. Besides that, you may also want to go under Library here. And if there's any apps in here you're specifically having an issue with, you can select the Update button next to the app. And I would go ahead and actually proceed to download and install any new updates available. And you can see there are plenty of updates available on our end here. So you may want to go ahead and actually just update your system. You may just want to go ahead and update specific apps, or you may want to just select Update All at the top here just to go update all the apps on your Microsoft Store here. This may take some time to actually update all of them, so I'm not going to sit here and just watch a bunch of downloading and installing apps. I'm going to close out, and in your case, I recommend just waiting and just letting it finish installing. Restart your computer and see what you have after that. If you're still having an issue at that point, you can open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in SFC, followed by a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so you can see it found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Go ahead and close out of here and actually restart your computer at this time. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point you should be good to go. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.